Wake up before the world does. Beat the sun. Beat your excuses. If you win the first hour, you win the day. Simple. 2. Hit cold water. First thing, let it slap you awake. Comfort is your enemy. Shock your system and force your brain into warrior mode. 3. Move your body every damn day. No negotiation. Move. Sweat. Lift. Push. A weak body creates a weak mindset. Fix both. 4. Eat like you actually care about your future. Stop feeding your cravings. Start feeding your goals. Discipline starts on your plate. 5. Cut 5 minutes of useless scrolling. 5 minutes. If you can't control that, you won't control anything. Your attention is your weapon. Guard it. 6. Clean your space. Stop living in chaos. Your environment shapes your attitude. A sharp room creates a sharp mind. 7. Shut up and execute. Talk less, work more. People waste their life bragging. Let your results be the punchline. 8. Write one target. Every morning, not dreams, not wishes, a target. Something you're willing to chase and bleed for. 9. Seek pain daily. Pain builds strength. Comfort builds nothing. Find the thing that hurts and do it anyway. 10. Don't break your own promises. You fail when you lie to yourself. You rise when you keep your word. Consistency makes monsters, not motivation.